So the first step is to open the Chrome browser and open the fiverr.com in it. After this, just go at a setting option to check what kind of interface it shows. You can see the interface and you can't make changes that you looking for. So what to do is to go at upper right side on your mobile screen and click on three dots. Now mark a check at desktop side. Now you can see that the interface is similar to your laptop or computer, and you can make every change in it. Now if I go to my profile and click on any of my gig, I can see that I can make changes to my gig as well. I can check its analytics, its performance, and everything I want. Keep in mind that the desktop mode turns off automatically, so you have to do the previous step again and again sometimes. So you can see that I can see the analytics of my gigs, and I can also edit my gig as well. I can change its title, I can change the description as well, its images, and everything that I want to do. So in this video you saw that how we use Fiverr on mobile, and how can we make changes to our gigs. We can change images, we can change titles, and everything that we want to do. So that was the video, and thank you very much.